Homemade chicken sausage. For chicken sausage we need chicken fillet, milk, butter, egg, coriander, red pepper, black pepper and salt. Cut chicken into small parts. Put to the blender. Mix it with the butter. Add egg. Add milk. Add coriander and red pepper. Add salt and black pepper. Mix it all. Put the cling film on the board. Put the minced chicken to the cling. Wrap up sausage. Twist on both sides. Prepare it until the minced meat finish. Put the sausage to the freezer. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!